Hi everyone! MLL California House Tours presents furniture tips. Today we start with the best coffee tables under $100. Link for this products are in the description box below. Let's start. Hamfa concentrates on the modern home furniture, always offering high-quality items and service to our customers for years. Hamfa coffee table in gray can be widely used in your living room, bedroom, office, study room for storing or displaying your disordered stuff, making your house tidy and well organized. Also, the high quality and modern design of it would make it be the most decor furniture for you. Open storage and one drawer. Hamfa coffee table can meet all your storage needs because it has one big surface, one open space and one drawer. So it depends on you to arrange your stuff and make them comfortable. Classic and elegant design. The table would be a nice addition to your house as its overall classic design and color can match almost all our decor furniture style. Convenient. Hamfa coffee table is configured with 4 legs which provide possibility to move the table wherever you want. Furthermore, as it has varnished covers and stand on the legs, the coffee table is quite convenient for you to clean itself and the floor it stands. The material of our coffee table is particle board, which is strong and recyclable. Also, with its high hardness, it's durable and won't be easily decayed or damaged. Mid-century furniture, crafted with an open design, plus a natural wood grain finish with subtly textured feel and mid-century modern appearance for simple yet fashionable charm in any living room. Ample storage space. 3 open points for access make it easy to store and grab items such as movies, magazines, and board games or decorate the space with a small plant or storage tray. Versatile design. Place a television on this wooden table for the perfect entertainment center, or accentuate the center of the living room for a cup of coffee in the mornings or board game nights with family and friends. Sturdy build. Made of durable engineered wood with angled pine wood legs, this stable surface withstands a capacity of up to 110 pounds to hold coffee, tea, finger foods, magazines, board games, and more. Easy to clean. The table's smooth material and open interior allow for easy wiping to help maintain its clean look for years to come. High-quality material. Outdoor patio wicker coffee table with brand new pay rattan. High-quality stainless steel of screws. UV resistant for 2,000 hours. Rust resistant over 2,000 hours. All-weather patio rattan furniture. Hot beverage. Multiple functions. Outdoor rattan furniture coffee table is suitable for outdoor, indoor, terrace, lawn, yard, backyard, porch, garden, poolside and balcony. Hot beverage. Easy to assemble and maintain. Outdoor coffee table with the installation instruction install video. It is convenient to assemble without maintenance. Dimensions: 25.2 inches L, x 25.2 inches W, x 12.6 inches H. Enjoy the best happy life. Stylish and warm. The console table has a bright wood grain veneer that can be perfectly combined with any decorative style to add simple, comfortable atmosphere to your living room. Large capacity 2-layer design of end table providing sufficient space. The top layer is suitable for placing lights, family photos, decoratives. The small table lower layer can storage books and magazines. Strong and durable. The solid wood top is thick and scratch proof and the metal border is painted. These make the console durability, stability and sturdy. You can use it for a long time. Easy to assemble. Entry table is connected with several sets of screws. You only need to take a few minutes to tighten the screws to complete the assembly. We provide all the parts and assembly instructions. Multifunction. This sofa table is a good placement for entryway, hallway, living room, which you can use as storage rack or display table. Made of solid MDF panel material, smooth UV paint and bamboo table legs, which is durable and not easily damaged. Bamboo is more environmentally friendly than wood, and it can grow in 5 years, which is suitable for industrial use. Practice space storage. The portable small triangle table could be used as a functional side table alongside the chair, sofa, couch or bed for frequently using within reach in your living room and bedroom, or as a displaying end table for carefully selected decorations in your office. Fashion and modern style with stylish design compatible well with any decor of your room. Perfect combination with other furniture accessory. Simple assembly and easy maintenance. It's easy to assemble it. Just align the screws on the legs with the screw holes, then tighten the screws. The nesting table is provided with smooth UV paint. It is very smooth and you can clean it with a soft cloth. That's all folks. Just want to remind you that links for these products are in the description box. Be safe and I'll see you next video. Ciao!